So we are now outside the deluxe studio. When you move in, you will be getting a key and fob that looks exactly like this. And all you got to do is just pop it through the lock, and I'll bring you us in. So I'll start with the bed. It's your standard double-sized bed. Underneath you've got extra storage space for you to pop your suitcases or anything else. On this side we have the study desk area, so you've got extra storage space just here, and you've got 3 drawers below just here, and you have your wardrobe space over here as well. So now we are in the kitchen. We have our 2-ring hob just over here. We have a microwave combination oven. You have extra storage space just above, and just below you have your fridge, freezer and bin storage as well. And just over here we have your breakfast bar area as well. And last but not least, you have your private ensuite bathroom.